have another mile to go. Wonder if I could get him to canter behind the truck. I probably could, but I won't. Now up here is where you could have a bit of a problem. If the horse is following the tailgate and can't see the ground and all of a sudden comes up upon a puddle, it catches him by surprise. There you might find the horse to pull back a little bit. But if he's tied fast with an unbreakable everything, he'll just give a quick jerk back and that'll be it. You can see the little puddles right here. Now he's doing fine because he's standing alongside the truck. It's not catching him by surprise. He can see the stuff. Maybe a little bit different if he was in the middle of the truck. Up here we have a cliff on both sides, especially on the right side. No problem. He doesn't want to go off that any more than I want him to. Go see your buddies. Alright, get. Do this without getting electrocuted. Out. No. Good. Good boy. Okay, go say your howdy doodies. That's it. He's the king of the herd, so shouldn't be too much going on.